Hey friends, welcome back to another mini Monday. This is Monday, June 8th, and we are cash stuffing our mini Monday for the second week in June. And let's see what we have. I threw in some extra bills. So we've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 1, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we are going to mix in our spicy fives. And then we are going to just blindly tuck that 10 in there. All right, let's grab my pens that I will need. Okay, so we are going to go with the three-sided die again. So we have, oh, wait. We're starting with this one here. We're starting with number 8. Okay, so 1 is going there, but I'm rolling again because we got it going this way, and now we're going to do it going that way. And this time it's got 1, 2. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are starting summer already here in California and LA. Our kids have a few more days before they are out for the summer, but I'm sure those of you in other states are probably already out. 1, 2, and 3. We seem to start a little bit later than everybody else, so we get out later as well. We've got 1, 2, 1. Is this 2 or 3? 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect for Lena because she only got $1 last week, I think, or 2. So 1, 2. My son is going to be coming home for a visit soon, so I'm excited about that. 1, 2. Okay, Anya. And so let me remember that this is 11. I think I forgot to do that last time. So let's do another roll for this one. And 2. Okay. And next, 1, 2. Okay, so I had camera issues. Apparently the storage was full. So you probably missed me stuffing the rest of these, but now I'm at the unstuffing portion. So for this one here, for Spy Family X, this is Anya. We have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and $27 for this one. And I think before I was cut off, I was saying I still don't know if I'll finish any today because these are all pretty big ones. This one here is by Chelsea at Be the Happy Turtle, and we are adding 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I think what I did, we had the 6, and then we didn't have enough. So why didn't I just do a roll and save again? So we're going to put a 3 over here again. So we have 10 right here. So we have 26, 29. Let's see what we have. Okay, so for this one, we've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. I think that's about right. Okay, so next for this one, it got a spicy 5. This is by Lena at O&L here. And $7 is what we're adding. So we're going to do 2, 4, 6, And I am going to add $1 to this because I don't like the rollover. So, let's add $1. So we should have $40. Let's see if we have that. We've got 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and $40. So we have $10 to go, and we will be finished with this challenge. Next, this is one of our small in size minis that we received as a freebie from Angela at MSO Budgets. And let's see what we're adding. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We can do 9 again because we have 4 and 5. So we should have $36. So let's see. We've got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. That is not correct. Did I do that right? Oh, that is right. Is it? 9 times 3 is 27. Yes. Okay. Let's count this again. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Okay, that's correct. I was like, oh, that doesn't seem right. Okay, so we still have, I didn't write down what this was a save. So 27, we have a ways to go. All right, so next we have another one with some rollover, and this is a freebie from Jasmine's Wallet, and we received $4 today, and we have 3 for $7. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'd rather just do 10 and add 3 to this because this is driving me crazy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we should now have in total $25, $30. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, perfect. Because I just can't. I'm not going to do any more rollover. Okay, so now we've got a total of $15 left. So yeah, it says save 45. Okay, so next, what happened to this bill? Okay, so we have a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And let's see if we do have a 9 here. Perfect. We can do this 5 and this 4 to make 9. And now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and $26 for this one. And this is a save 78. So we've got a ways to go. Next, we have this challenge, and we got $1, $2, $3, $4, and there's some rollover. This is by the Upgraded Mom, and we had $1 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to add $1 to make this 6, and we are going to cross off 3 more, 2, 4, and 6. So we've got $8 more, and we are complete with this one. But so far we've got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So this is $36 for 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 12. Yes, $36 is what this one will save. And lastly today for this binder, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus a rollover. So let's see what we have. These are $3 each. We've got $2 of rollover. Is this 11? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That still works out because that means that we can check off 4, 3, 6, 9, and 12. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. Okay. So let's see what we have in total so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have 18, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Yeah, so I would imagine next week we may get some. This one, not so much. Maybe not this one either, but this has a potential to be complete. Not that one. Potentially this one. Not that one. Potentially this one. So we'll see how it goes. So that is it for the mini Monday. And now we are going to continue our roll and save for our challenge that goes to our personal self-care binder. And so I'm just going to roll these and I'm going to add, what did I do? Put the money, I think I put $20. Okay, so we've got $20. Let me bring over the calculator to see what we end up with. We are going to focus on the 6-sided die, and we have a 5, 6. So we've got $6 left. 3. I probably should stop here because I don't want an IOU, but we have 4. So you know what? We're going to add $1 and make life work. So that was a total of $21. So let's add up what we have for this here so far. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Wow, this one is saving so much more. So we're at 50 for this one. I believe the first one is 37.25, and now we're at 50, so we are at $112. That will go towards my personal self-care binder. So love it. Okay, so that is it for our mini Monday, our second one of June. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and share any comments or feedback. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.